Welcome back, guys. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're walking around a 1970 Fastback Mustang. This one here does have the 351 under the hood. It looks like it's got a AC compressor sitting there, power steering set up, lots of extra chrome. Pretty clean car all the way around. What do we got here? We got some disc brakes in the front. We do. We got disc brakes in the front. Drum in the rear. Checking this car out with y'all, by the way. I went ahead and popped the trunk. I'm not fumbling keys around. I do this with every car that comes in at the lot. That way you know exactly what you're buying before you get here. We do have detailed pictures, close to 100 at maplemotors.com, along with shipping, financing, wheels, tires, parts, accessories, and all of our inventory is located on that website. So hit that subscribe button. Let's get started. Okay, I like going around the lower front portion, all the way around the car. Front bumper's in great shape, so is the grille, headlight bezels. Right here in the front, you got some paint chipping off. Coming around the side of the car. Up over the fender. Lots of chips from the road. A couple chips in the door there. Coming down the middle. There's a chip here as well. Back tires are in great shape. Chip on the inside there. Going on up over the fender. And chips down the back side where the tire's kicking the rocks up. So coming down the mid section here. There is a light crack right here in the door. Got some nice clean door handles. A little bit of pitting on the back window here. You got a chip right here on top of the fender. All the trim on the front window looks good. Coming up over the roof, nice and clean. The wings nice and shiny. Got the louvers on the back window. Looking pretty good. Looking over the back bumper. Back bumper's been replaced. Dual exhaust out the back. Looks like we got some bubbles popping through right here on the trunk lid. On both corners, actually. You see a little bit popping up. A little bit right here in the middle, too. Let's open this trunk up and check out the interior of it. Weather stripping looks pretty good. The jambs, solid. Fairly new gas tank in here. Oh, you got an amp that was covered up under there. They must have had it sitting right here. I wonder if that's hooked up. It is hooked up to the back speakers back here. And open the package tray. Pretty good. A little bit of moisture on this side. Okay, coming down with this. She's locked. All right, going down the lower portion again. Got some chips. People are getting in and out of the car. Coming back down the midsection here. There's a little chip right here in the door. You also got a little bit popping up there on top of the fender. Pitting around that back window. Door handles have been replaced. On top of the fender here, you got a bubble popping up. See if I can get it to pop up on here. It's right here. All right, made it all the way around this ride here. Also check out those detailed pictures. He gets in more detail as well. Let's go ahead and check this interior out. Open it up. Door panel's in good shape. Looks nice and clean along with the interior. I got my bag back here. Seat's in good shape. Package tray's decent. A little bit of water getting back here by that speaker. Back window's leaking. Headliner needs to be stretched out in this corner. For the most part, it's in good shape. Weather stripping around the door has been replaced. Looking up under the door, pretty good. Jams nice and clean. Go ahead and place your bets. Do you think the horn works on this one? It's a little game we like to play on the channel. Dash is in good shape. Look how big this console is. It's huge. Looks awesome. Starts up easy. Motor's still cold right now. Oil pressure is up to about 50. Let's go ahead and try the radio. No radio in this one, I assume. Looks fairly new. Blower motor is working. Turn the compressor on. Hopefully, we got the AC on now. We'll see what happens. See if it works. Tach is coming up. Gas gauge is right at quarter tank. The oil pressure and the engine temperature on the dash, I do not believe is hooked up. Showing 97,000 miles on the dash. Can't stand behind that because this is a 70 model. We will cut the lights on and we will turn the turn signal on. I hear it clicking. Both sides, so. Both sides of the dash there. Let's go ahead and try the horn. No horn on this one. Wipers. Wipers work. Good deal. Motor's nice and quiet. Coming on down with the hood, it comes down nice and easy, just barely pushing it. Locked up, and you got your hood pins. You can put it in both sides for safety. Headlights are on this one. Running lights are on. lights are on as well. All right, I'm gonna give you some undercarriage shots. We're gonna start up here in the front. And shut this door better here. And go all the way around the car. I have close to 100 detailed pictures at maplemotors.com. Let's look under this. New parts under here. Ford Ranger. Y'all seen that before? No, Ford Ranger. Okay, guys. If you're new to the channel, hit subscribe. I post videos pretty much daily. You can also see 100 detailed pictures, and all of our inventory is listed at maplemotors.com. I can ship these cars to your front door. I have transportation options on that website. I have shipping options on that website. So be sure to go over there, check it out, give us a call, 615-822-4444. Be happy to help you out. We're also going to be doing a test drive video on this car, taking it down the road, looking for any kind of flaws. That way you know exactly what you're buying. That's why I did this video. And no, we don't fix stuff. We tell you what's wrong. That's what I'm here for. I do appreciate y'all watching. I do appreciate you sharing and liking these videos. I hope to see you in the next one. I'm taking this thing for a ride. Later, guys.